While editing videos, there are a lot of things to take care of that it sometimes becomes a bit overwhelming. However, when you use shortcuts to do these edits, the workflow becomes a bit easier. And today we'll be taking a look at one such shortcuts that is called as copy paste effects, or as Premiere likes to call it, paste attributes. But before we begin, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting that bell icon as well so that you do not miss out on any of our latest videos. So hello everyone, this is Robin here from Gadgets 360, and without any further delay, let's jump right into Premiere Pro and sort this thing out. I am editing a video here which needs some color correcting and fine tuning with the audio. After I have added all the necessary elements, the color correction is applied to that footage. However, you can see that it only applies to that particular clip and not the other ones. The same goes for audio, which seems to be a bit low here, so I'll just fix that as well. To copy all the effects and paste them on the remaining clips, right click on the first clip, hit copy, or you can use the shortcut buttons Ctrl+C on Windows and Command+C on Mac. And now select all the clips you want to add that effect to and right click on any of them and click on paste attributes. Or you can use the shortcut buttons Ctrl+Alt+V on Windows and Option Command+V on your Mac. This brings up a pop-up window which might be a bit confusing for many, so let me walk you through it. This window is split into two parts, video attributes and audio attributes. The former consists of all the effects for your videos and the latter handles all the effects for your audio. You can choose the effects you want to carry forward and the ones you don't. I haven't tweaked around with the motion, time remapping or the opacity of the video in this particular clip, but I have added the lumetri color changes, so I'll tick mark that one. You can even choose whether to add the volume changes you made in the previous clip and more. Here I'll tick mark volume. And here is your result. All the clips have the same color and the same audio level. In case you want to remove some of the attributes you pasted on these clips, all you need to do is select all the clips, right click and click on remove attributes. And once again, you will be greeted by the same pop-up window. You can now select all the things that are not needed. Using this trick to copy paste all the effects to your videos is time saving, and I use it almost every time. So what did you guys think about this tutorial? Did you find this useful? If yes, please reply in the comments down below, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.